Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to remove an element from a particular position in an array. So consider an array with 5 indices from 0 to 4 and each index is currently holding a fruit, a watermelon, a strawberry, a mango, a banana and a guava. Suppose we want to remove mango. First we want to find mango in the array. Once it is found, remove it. Now this position is free now. So shift banana one position left to index 2. Now index 3 is free. So shift guava one position left to index 3 and index 4 is free now. And we don't have a fruit for this location, so we don't need it anymore. So that is how it is done. Now see this array here with 5 elements and indices from 0 to 4. Suppose we want to delete element 5. So initially we don't know where 5 is located. So first we need to find 5 in the array. So we will start searching from first position. We will compare 1 with 5. It is not the same, so we move further to right. Now compare 20 and 5. Again it is not the same. So compare the next element. So 5 is found at index 2. So remove the element and index 2 becomes free. So shift 78 to index 2. So index 3 is free now, so shift 30 to index 3. So index 4 is no more needed, so it is deleted. Now let us discuss the code to implement this. Again we have an array of size equal to 5 and indices from 0 to 4. Now we want to remove element 5. So first we need to find where 5 is resided. So it is at index 2. Once the location of element to be deleted is found, it is stored in variable index. So here index equal to 2. The for loop will shift the elements to the left, removing the value at index. Now let us see how the code works. First I equal to index, that is from where we want to remove the element. Here I equal to 2. Index equal to 2. It checks if 2 is less than 4. The condition is true, so array of 3, which is 78, is moved to index 2 replacing 5. Now incrementing I becomes 3. Now checks if 3 is less than 4. The condition is true, so array of 4, which is 30, is moved to index 3. Now incrementing I becomes 4. Now it checks if 4 is less than 4. Condition is false, so control comes out of for loop and execute size minus minus, which will delete the last location of the array. So that's it. Now let us discuss about the time complexities. The best case will be when the element to be removed is at the last position. Then we don't need the for loop to shift any elements. We only need to reduce the array size so that the last location where our element is will be removed. So the best case time complexity is order of 1. The worst case will be when the element to be removed is at the first position. Then we need the for loop to shift all the elements to the left. If we have 5 elements and if the first element is to be removed, then the for loop will have 4 iterations to shift second, third, fourth and fifth elements to the left. So generally, if you have n elements, you need n-1 iterations and the worst case time complexity will be order of n-1, which is polynomially order of n. That's all. Thank you for watching the video, and to execute more such programs, please visit the link in the description below.